Yo gang, what's poppin'? It's your boy Beezy, and today we're gonna jump into some very exciting trading situations. Today we're gonna be trying to make money as always. My strategy is the same. You guys know. If you don't know by this time, what are you doing? Go watch some of our old videos right now. So yo gang, let's get right into the video. And right here, I can see a good entry point in my opinion up. So I'm gonna enter up for 300 right here before we get into our day. Cause I'm seeing that the market's about to switch up, as you can see. But let's get right into it. So you can see right here, I've got 22K in my account. You can see that I've had some trades that have made me some money today. And I've lost some money today as part of the game. You can see we have 2K in the account and we're gonna go from here. We've entered the trade for 300. We can see the confirmation is going upwards. We can see that that little mark is starting here. Now this OTC, you know how we feel about it. You have to be really careful when you're trading OTC. But today I made some money on Euro JPY, as you can see here. So maybe we're gonna continue to try to follow this upward trend before it gets confirmed. So we'll go 25% there, $500. It's a lot, but that's how we play this game today. That's how we're gonna make our money. So right here, we're about to make our first live trade, making some money off of that. Sorry guys for my yawning. So about $300 and some in profit right there real quick, as you guys can see for yourselves. So we're seeing that that is starting to fly back, but I don't think that this is going to continue to go up here. So I'm going to hit that up. Sorry, I'm going to hit up because I don't think that this market will continue to fly down here. And we can see that even though the deviation is not that much, I don't see a situation where the market doesn't flip back up here. But as you can see, it turns out the market is only doing 30 minutes right now. And I wanted to enter a 1 minute trade. So I just got flocked by the markets in that this price right there. But it is part of the game. It's part of what we play. So that's a $500 loss. And it's looking like it's a double $500 loss for us, because we lost on that trade and on the other trade as well. So do we think that this is the end of the upward trend right here and everything's going to start to go downwards? I truly do not believe. I believe that this candle is going to recover. Is it going to recover to this height? That's a question that we should ask ourselves, because we've just lost about $1,000. So right here, I'm feeling down. Because you can see, we can see that we're in oversold conditions. We can see that the histograms on MACD are also red. So we're seeing a situation where we might be able to take profit on this. First couple of trades was good for us. We did 2 trades. And then we lost the Euro JPY trade. A little bit close in my opinion, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. You play to win. That's how it goes. So you can see 5 seconds. Boom. As you can see, predictions correct on here. I'm going to be a little bit more skeptical about Euro JPY, even though we're able to make some money. You can see how unconstant is it. So we'll hit down right here for a 47-second trade. Boom. Let's look it good for us. Look like we're going to make this and take another profit on that. So we started with 2,000 and now it's going to be easy. We're going to make about 2,500. We can see that we're in oversold. The market has been vying downwards over, but you can see in sometimes in a market, the market flies upwards, but it continues to go in that general direction. So we're able to, I think we should be able to take profit on this. If there is no last minute pull, real close, we're right on the money. Looks like we're going to lose that. Looks like we're going to lose that, and the market just takes it right out of our mouth. Right out of our grips, the market takes it, and even though it flows all the way back, the market just doesn't let us be, even though we see the confirmation. I think I'm going to just remove Euro JPY for now. And we can see this is still an oversold. We're going to enter down right there for 300. Now, what you guys really want to put in mind here is because we can see that we're going into oversold. And even though that candle was green, we know that this is still going to pull all the way down. And we should be able to take profit on this. So right now we're going to do a little bit more money on our trades, because you can see we've had some losses today. And those are grave losses. But, you know, you have to expect days like this. You win some, you lose some. But right now, my goal is to try to get my account back to 2,000. If I can get from there, then I'm gonna feel okay, and I feel like we can become profitable. We're only 5 minutes in, so let's hope that luck is on our sides and our strategy is killing. So we're close to getting back to the amount of money that we started with. Now, Euro JPB has been good to us. So has USD INR. So Indian rupees, right? So do we think that this will continue to go down? I kind of believe it. So I'll hit down right there. Huge trade, in my opinion. Though we're pulling up, but I think that this candle is going to finish and we're going to pull all the way down. Come on. Daddy needs to see that pullback so we can make some money. You're close to it already, so 30 seconds away from it. Come across that barrier. 82, 88, 60. Wow, so close. Pulls all the way down into us. Right here into our entry point. It's looking good. As I told you, that green candle was going to finish and it was going to set us on a path that we can really take profit. As you can see, this will go right here. And you know the rest. The rest is in the books, and we are. Don't take my money. Oh my God, QUOTEX. So we got our money back. We didn't take the trade. We couldn't make anything out of that. It was so close though. So close. So let's go find a better entry point. Maybe we'll stick to 93, which is a little difficult, but I think that we are going downwards right here. That candle isn't flipping up. That candle ain't flipping up. That candle is staying down. As you can see, we can see that this might be the beginning of a downward trend, but also this might just be like a downward trend that's not going to go all the way down, because we don't see the confirmation yet from zigzag, right? But we know that it confirms only after the fact. But we could see that this long stride red candles is showing us that the market is obviously downwards. As you can see now, we get confirmed by zigzag. We are going into oversold. We can see the huge gap after the red line crosses over MACD right here. And we can see that right in the middle right here, we can see some green. And you can see, but we can see that the sellers have been running this market all day on OTC. So even though we weren't able to make this exact same trade, also a put option on USD NRR, we were able to do it with USD Brazilian Lira. And that's another 1,000. So now we're back. We're $700 in profit finally. Something that looks like it's, you guys can see it for yourself how this roller coaster has been. So right now what I'm thinking is to myself is, can we keep following this? Can we keep running with this? So you got 30 seconds for this candle, right? Do I think it's gonna flip up? I don't. So let's enter $900 right there. It flipped a little bit higher, and that's a different place. That's where I would have loved to enter that trade right there. Right when that green flipped up, right here would have been a great time to enter. And I'll enter again right there for $1,000. So as you can see, I believe that once that candle ends, that's gonna flip all the way down. And even though that we might lose out on this first trade, we're gonna end up making, as I said. So it's looking good for us, but at 40 seconds, you know, the markets can really flip up anytime. That's a $3,000 trade. We've got the confirmation from zigzag. We're continuing to go down. This is looking like it's gonna be the dynamite trade of the day. We've got 5 seconds away from making the $972 trade, making about double our money because we're at 91%. Boom, that's in the bank. So we're able to make that trade real quick and take the funds. So we're at 2,700 right now. And once we take this trade, $1,000 trade right there, $910. We're at $4,000. As you can see, we've got that cup. We're in a live account. And you see, there's 4 trades in a row. 3 trades was profits though. 3 trades was profits. And other trades not really profit-wise. So that's been a little bit of a risky because we started out doing 25%. And we're at $4,000, which is a $2,000 profit from where we started, about 2,600. So my goal is to get that diamond on this account. So right here, we want to see if we can get that diamond, the diamond. You get diamond at 5K on QUOTEX. And right now, I'm hoping that this pulls a little higher into the green. Boom. We're going to get that diamond. We're going to get that diamond in our live account, or we're going to see a pullback. It's possible also for a pullback here because the market has been going down in the last candle. But I think this candle might flip up a little bit. But we got confirmation from Zigzag, what makes it look good. And it looks like we might get that diamond. We might get that 5K diamond on QUOTEX, so you guys see that it's for real. Just confirming a bunch of things because I'm making sure that my screen is being recorded because I don't want to be in a situation where I feel like I started doing this video live and I wasn't recording my screen at the same time. That would be really annoying. So everything looks good. Our trade looks good. We're 6 seconds away from taking that money. I want to see that diamond. Boom, diamond, 5K on that live account. As you can see, you guys can see the trades that we've made. We started a little sloppy, very sloppy, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row of just positive trades. Y'all can see we're at 5K. We started with 2. The beginning was a little sloppy, but you guys can see that my strategy works. And as I said before, I'm not going to go about telling you guys what the strategy is because I stick to one strategy. I've been using this. If you guys have been on this channel before, I've been using this strategy for a long period of time. And if you're new here, then all you got to do is watch my older videos, or if you want to know more about the indicators and how to become a profitable trader, links will be in the description to my Telegram channel. It's absolutely free. You come in there. We're all vibing. I'm giving out the best information over here on YouTube. And there's nobody who's doing it better. And, we try to keep it as honest as possible. Links will be in the description. We give free signals every single day where you can come make money with us. And what else can I say? Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. We're able to make 3K. I think that's a good 13 minutes of trading. So thank you very much for watching this video. It's been your boy Beezy, and I'm out.